makabasa ani nga mong ebanghelyo kanato karon kung nakahinumdum ta nga ang mga nasudla mga yawa ning hangyo sa tong Ginoo nga possible musud lang sila sa kining mga ngadtos mga baboy, no? Murag kini murag pertirabang ko ana ron lami ra ba yung kay ikaon ng taog litson. And yet this is the thing that the demons ask coming from the Lord, if you drive us out, then allow us to enter the swine. My dear friends, the word coming from the mouth of our Lord, or words coming from the mouth of our Lord, mura gid ni karon, go then. When our Lord said go or go then, its meaning is about approval. Go. But then, something is strange also in our gospel today, because the people who knew very well about the story of the swine drowned because they ran towards the cliff and nay tubig sa ubos. The people pleaded our Lord to go out of their district. Dili ba strange siya? Kaya nga to ang Ginoo is something, your role to adito is to drive out the demon. And yet these people ask our Lord, siya na no'y ipapahawa, where in fact, siya mo'y nag-contribute og nindot og maayo diya sa ilahang lugar. My dear friends, we cannot allow this. If this is the kind of character nga atua usab pud nga i-imbibe, no, we cannot allow. All the more natong hangyoon ang Ginoo that Lord, stay with us because we are weak, because we cannot do it on our own. Stay with us. This is a kind of request because we know that the evil is around us. We just have to ask our Lord, Lord, stay with us. My dear friends, all the more we have to tell that to ourselves, to remind ourselves that again, our Lord's contribution is always great. The evil's contribution will always be that of destruction. And no wonder we have just to tell our Lord, stay with us.